Good news, guys. I found a trick you can literally use to upload a reference image on this platform using Seedance. Before now, you will not be able to upload a reference image. You can design 3D pixel, cartoony style, but for you to use a reference image that has a human face, it was impossible. And a lot of content creators they complained that they couldn't use this platform because of some issues. I want to solve that issue in this video. So we are going to walk it through step by step. How I generated the images, how I turn it to this kind of image. This is my reference image that I use, right? And I fragmented it. I used a particular trick. I was able to bypass everything. And this platform generated a podcast settings. Now watch this.
Most people are waiting for the perfect moment to start, but the truth is, successful people start before they're ready. You're looking for won't appear by accident. They show up when you take action every single day. If you watched this far, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more content that helps you grow.
This is exactly what we'll be doing in this video now. Leave a like on this video so that YouTube can push to more people, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on my post notifications so you don't miss my next upload. And guys, without much ado, let's get started. Our Tinker AI, the mobile app from the Play Store. So for you, head over to your Play Store and let's go ahead and let's type in this Tinker Shopify. All right, so once we type Tinker by Shopify, it's going to show up like this, right? So I already have it here, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. So once you installed it, you'll be prompted to open it. So please follow it step by step, because I found a new method you can use it and keep using it. Remember, a lot of you have been complaining that it wasn't working, and I went to my research and I did this simple thing, this simple trick that I'm going to be showing you now. So please pay attention to this, okay? So once you are here, this is the interface of the app. All right, so I'm going to click on this where you have your profile picture here. Scroll down, you're going to see terms of use. Go ahead and click on that terms of use. It will take you into their page where you have to, for you to see their terms of use. That is, this terms of use is what are the things that are allowed on this platform, what words are allowed on this platform, what kind of content are allowed, what kind of, everything you need to know that will actually help you. Now, you're not going to read this, please. You're not going to read it. What you simply have to do is to highlight everything, right? Copy everything, highlight everything like this. Go ahead and select all, copy everything, and then head over to where I'm going to take you to right now, the next step, okay? Now, we are going to close this app now. Then head over to train ChatGPT, the memory of ChatGPT, with this information that we have, such that whatever thing will be generating, ChatGPT will already know the kind of words to use, so that it can modify it to suit in with the terms of use on that platform. Do you understand? Because if you just give out any type of prompt, the platform will refuse, it will reject that image, or might even reject to generate the video for you. So what I did is simple. I came here and I pasted everything that I copied, paste it here. Okay, so this is it. I now told ChatGPT that now I have copied their terms of use, so that you understand the kind of images, the image prompts you'll be giving me moving forward. So once I ask you to give me, any image prompt, give me in line with their terms of use. Do you understand what I just said now? So once I paste everything, say yes, I understand. So you now said I should go ahead and paste it. I now went ahead and I pasted that link, that the entire terms of use that we copied. Once I copied that, it said perfectly, I've reviewed the terms you pasted for image and video prompts on Tinker. The biggest practical, now it will start giving us the safe areas. Now watch this. So this is the reason why a lot of you are unable to use this platform, because your prompt violated their rules. And this is original fictional characters, pixel, style, cartoon. These are the things that are allowed on that platform. So it has been able to give us the idea now. So moving forward, I now went ahead to, I want to create something now for this tutorial. So what I did is that I uploaded this image, this character here, right? Now this character is a real character, but I use a particular prompt that I'm going to be leaving in the description of this video, okay? I use it on Gemini AI to generate me this character. I uploaded the reference image, okay? So you're going to upload any reference image of your choice and give that prompt, and it's going to generate this image for you, this kind of image for you. The one side is glass fragmented, then the other side is drawing, So I'm going to ask this, that it should give me, I now pasted my my storyline. If you have a storyline, you pasted it here, you just paste it there, okay? Once you paste it there, it now says since you are using the uploaded image as the reference character, it's better to describe the person rather than identify them. So now ChatGPT now understands what I need and what the platform needs. Okay, from your story, it will be able to give you everything. So you're going to go ahead and let's generate something so I can see what I'm trying to say, so that we can proceed. Thank you so much, guys, for always believing in this channel, and I'll keep trying my best to make more research so that we can keep generating using for free and unlimited. Okay, so guys, stick around, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. All right, so now we are on the Tinker app now. Remember, we have our generated images or the image you want to use. So you're going to come, you're going to see create. Where you see that create, open it, just click on it. It will bring you to this interface. Okay, so now our intention for today's video is to generate video, okay, not image, not text. So look up here, you're going to see video, Google, like the model we are going to be using. So click on it and you see Seedance video generator. Click on it. And once you click on that, we are going to upload our image, okay, our reference image, and then we'll paste our prompt for our first scene. So now that I already have my prompt, these are the ones I've uploaded so far, in this one, and I use them. Go ahead and click this, that icon that has a plus, meaning to upload a content. Then click that photo library. All right, now I want to see that image that we saved. Remember how I got the email, how I got this kind of image, okay, this kind of image character. I will leave the link, like I said, in the description of this video. All right, so go ahead and click on it. Then right, it is added. Okay, so we are going to go ahead. If you have more scenes, let's say you have more images, like 5, 4, you can use this plus button. You can use this plus button. Once you click on this plus button, to add another image, so you can use the at reference and reference them. Okay, so at image 1, at image 2, at that kind of a thing, like just like what it is showing here for you as an example. So for me, I don't have any other scene. I want to have only just I don't have another image for another scene. I will have this one for all my scenes. So I'm going to go ahead and paste my prompt. All right, remember this prompt is from ChatGPT. Okay, then once you paste your prompt, confirm it's correct and it's okay. This is our scene 1, right? Awesome. Then this is it. So I want to click on this tick, that is you're okay with it, right? Then we are going to go ahead and set additional settings. This additional settings is very important because now this enhanced prompt is already toggled on to optimize your prompt for best result. It's already toggled on and generate audio, that generate with audio, it's already toggled on. So allow those ones to be there. Where you have the duration, can select 6 seconds, okay, 6 seconds depending on your prompt, and then go ahead and choose your aspect ratio, preferred aspect ratio. I will always go with the landscape because that's what I am using, okay, for this. All right, so everything is set and we are good to go, guys. So if all things being equal and good, perfect, you're good to go and slide this, and you hear that sound, it will start generating. So let's wait and see if Tinker AI will literally read my image and grant my request. So guys, I hope you're enjoying the process already. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. And have you tried using this app before to generate your videos? How is the quality? How are you enjoying it? Okay, so this picture is a real image. You can see this image is a real picture and it has passed through. That means that the platform allows you to use that means you can literally use any reference image using this method. Because now watch this, if I upload the original picture, let me save this. So let's see scene 2. Okay, let's use dialogue scene. Look at my real face. I want to show you the difference, that it will not pass. Okay, it's not going to pass the test. So I'll go ahead and drop a simple prompt, right? So with that, I'm just going to do a major just settings. Good. So you see, you always run into this generation failed. Something went wrong during the generation. Please try again. Even if you try it many times, you'll still be having this. The reason is because of the picture that you are using. Do you understand? The platform is not supporting real face. Okay, so for us to bypass that real face, that's the reason why we need to break it into the broken glasses fragment. And you can see that image you saw there is my image that I uploaded, and it has actually given me my face. So for us, let's now use the fragmented image and create a dialogue scene, okay, where the image will say something. Like this time around, we are going to make the image to talk. That same upload, the same character. So go ahead and click, bring in your image, select it from there. Then I'm going to paste my scene one prompt because I have three scenes I'm going to generate here. Okay, good. Now this is a dialogue scene. Okay, this is going to be a dialogue. Then once you are done, go over to your settings, additional settings, landscape, resolution. You can change it to be once. I'm going to increase it to 8, longer clip, more detailed. Okay, I'm putting at 8. So describe negative prompts. I don't have any negative prompts, so everything is set normal. I'm going to go ahead and hit generate. So guys, if you want to see your project, okay, where you have my projects, click on it, and you're going to see all the projects that you're working with, okay, or that you've worked on will be displayed here. So let's see where we have. So I'm going to edit this. Let me just edit it once and for all from here, okay, so that we can catch it. Now, dialogue. Most people will now say breathe. Okay, breathe for 1 second. 1 second. Okay, and then start. All right. So let's see if that is going to be enough for us to bypass the whole thing. I'm going to go ahead and select 16 by 9, and I will increase my duration to 8 so that we have enough time, to talk and act like human. So I'm going to go ahead and hit send. So let's see if you have what we've requested for. So guys, all fingers crossed. Are you ready for this? All fingers crossed, guys. I am so certain that this particular one will definitely pass through the whole process of, you know. So guys, this is how I want to show you, like you are seeing now. Now on this platform, you can use it to generate anything like 3D avatar and all those stylish, cartoonish characters, right? But it's very difficult for you to use this platform to upload a reference image that is like your reference image. So that's what I'm trying to bypass this for you, so that you can use this and upload your reference image 2.0 Seedance video generation and keep generating using this platform. Guys, give this video a thumbs up if this actually makes sense to you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's see what is going to happen. So the question is, are we going to pass? Let's see it. Whoops. Most people are waiting for the perfect moment to start, but the truth is, successful people start before they're ready. I love it, guys. People are waiting for the perfect moment to start, but guys, I love it. We've been able to pass everything. So guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and then don't forget to turn on the post. Don't forget to follow this step by step, because this is working. With this, you can actually upload your image and look at this. Is my picture. Okay, you can literally upload your image. Once you are cool with it, go ahead and hit this 3 dots and let's download it first before they change their mind. Okay, awesome. It's downloading, guys. I'm super excited because I was able to crack the code. We are doing this together. I didn't prepare this. Like you can see, all the mistakes, all the errors are all here in the video. Let's go ahead and generate scene 2 and see if it will give us the same result. So guys, we are cool. So I'm going to go ahead and click this pencil like icon, okay, because I want to continue from using the same image. I don't want them to change their mind. So I'm going to say, they now ask you, what would you like to change? So that's scene 2. I already have the prompt. No need to upload the image again. Okay. Now, what do you want to change? I'm going to type in, paste the scene 2, and I'm going to say environment, the same environment, same podcast, same face, closer shot focus on her face, and then action. She gestured, naturally one heels while speaking. Then before this place that says dialogue, okay, make sure you add breathe, okay, for 1 second. That breathe for 1 second is what you'll be trimming out when you are editing this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and send. Now remember, this time We are not setting our aspect ratio again afresh. We are not setting our duration. It maintains the exact same duration and it has started generating. Guys, let me see if it's going to give us scene 2. I'm super excited right now. So let me take a water because this moment I need to drink water. Refinement failed. Invalid reference index 2 for image. Only 0 image provided. Okay. Okay. So now it has failed. So this is what we are going to do. Alternatively, so we're going to start from scratch. Okay. We're going to bring up the image reference again. Guys, it has generated. Okay. So let's see what is going to happen. Let's go ahead and play it.
The opportunities you're looking for won't appear by accident. They show up when you take action every single day.
I love it. So literally, go ahead and download this. Guys, this is insane. So what makes me to love this particular app is the realism, the perfect lip sync. Okay. So you download it. So congratulations, we've used it to do scene 1, scene 2, right? So let's say scene 3. So I'm going to, oh wow. So you can literally click that plus sign and it will bring up that same reference image without having to go from scratch again. Awesome. So let's edit our prompt then. Then I'm going to highlight everything and paste our scene 3 prompts. And this place, I'm going to add breathe for 2 seconds. Let's increase it to 2 seconds. 2 seconds. So that let's see if we can be able to take out that part, that glass part. Let's see if let's confirm our aspect ratio, if it's still okay, everything is in order. So let's go ahead and generate. So this is exactly the method I want you all to follow. Upload your reference image in this. Use the prompt, okay, that will be leaving in the description of this video, and confirm that your reference image. Just exactly. Even if you any image you want to use, okay, that has human face, this platform would accept. So just follow this process. Copy the terms of use to ChatGPT. That's the step for step 1, right? Then ChatGPT understands the whole terms of use. So now whenever you are generating your image prompt or your video prompt, you have to specialize to ChatGPT to not always forget our terms of use on the platform to generate the prompt for you so that it can pass all the barriers. Do you understand? With that, you're good to go. Woo, guys, our video is here, our century is here. And guys, you see, just like I've generated like 8 seconds plus the mistakes, so you can see no limitation yet. I've not received any limitation like, okay, you've exhausted your credit and all of that. So now that you still have access to this platform, please use it. Let's play this.
If you watched this far,
did you see that?
Hit the like button and subscribe for more content that helps you grow.
Awesome. So guys, before you add your dialogue, make sure it is 2 seconds breathing space. Did you see that? That part, you can literally cut it out and allow the beginning of your speech to start. Watch again.
If you watch this far,
did you see it? So this is beautiful, guys. So use this method and generate. Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section of this video. And you can see the consistency in the character, the consistency in the image, the dress and everything remains the same. The reason is because I was able to do it the right way. So use the prompts that I'll be leaving in the comment section. Try it out. Let me know what is your own output. You can see, so that you will not say mine is working and yours is not working. I'm doing it live. So guys, until then guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want things like this, you don't want me to be editing my video and you want it to be like this moving forward, just let me know in the comment section and I will try my best to make sure I give you undiluted tutorial on how you can use some of these amazing platform using your preferred model like Seedance, Grok and all of that. Congratulations guys, to finally use your image. Now to arrange everything, take them to your CapCut and cut out the beginning just like you saw in this video. Okay guys, until then, see you in the next one.